Hi, so I want to demo you this particular software called FinalRound AI. So let's see. This is how the real person comes. He's a mock person actually. Okay. So he says, "Welcome to your mock interview. Let's get started and focus on showcasing your strengths." Okay, let's get started. Can you ask question?
Sure thing. How are you feeling today about this interview?
Well, I'm quite excited. It's a dream company and dream job and dream salary. So I'm happy. Let's proceed.
That's great to hear. Let's dive into your background. Can you tell me about your experience with Java and why you chose to specialize in it?
Well, I have almost a decade of experience in Java, and I chose it because that's what I got it when I applied for companies. And then they had banking projects, and banks generally use Java for their security and many other features requirement. So I landed into Java career, and I worked on Java, desktop Java, then the Spring and microservices, and many more.
Impressive journey. It sounds like you've developed a solid foundation. Can you share a project where you faced a significant challenge and how you overcame it using your Java skills?
Well, it was a desktop-based application using Java FX, and there was server side using Spring. So there was a communication has to be done between the front end and the back end using Akka. So all these technologies were relatively new to me. So I struggled a bit, but I could pass through. So I took help of internet and also trial and error and my analytical skills, and I could achieve that. So I developed the UI in Java FX, which was taking care of the front end, and it was having many combo boxes and various features of a UI such as table, tree, and many more. So that is available in Java FX. It's a library, and in the backend it was a Spring. So Spring was new to me that time, but I learned it on the job, and I could create a project using Maven based, and it deployed. And the endpoint of the Spring based application I was supposed to invoke via this particular UI in the Java FX.
That sounds like a challenging yet rewarding experience. Navigating new technologies can be tough. How did handling this project impact your skills, particularly in problem solving and adapting to new tools?
Well, my skill revamped from the level 0 to level 100, and I enjoyed that, and I was excited about the new learnings which might give me the new opportunities in the future.
It's fantastic that you embraced the learning curve and saw the potential for future opportunities. Let's shift gears to the job at hand. How do you plan to leverage your experience in building applications using Spring and microservices for this lead engineer position?
Well, I have confidence in the microservices, and in the Spring I read many books, and also I worked on 49 microservices in the past. I deployed from scratch, and also I developed it from scratch, and I used AWS for the deployment. There I used AWS Poly, and also I used DynamoDB from the AWS, and the CI/CD of course. And the logic was used for communication was Apache Kafka. So there was a topic, and there used to be publish subscribe framework.
That's impressive. Your experience with developing and deploying microservices from scratch, along with your familiarity with AWS tools, could be a real asset. How do you see these skills helping you communicate and collaborate with multiple teams at Northstar?